Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Ramyashri. I'm a software engineer. In this video I'm going to be sharing the things I've been enjoying recently, and yeah, without any further wasting of time, let's get directly into the video. The first thing I'm going to be sharing is this orange gel from the brand Good Vibes. So it consists of 50 grams. You get the 50 grams for 175 rupees, which is quite reasonable in my opinion, and this exactly smells like orange. And this is not a cream, it is a gel type, and it is suitable for almost all skin types. Let me swatch it for you guys. I'm just taking just a little bit amount. I'm just taking on the back of my hand, and let me just show you how quickly it absorbs into the skin, and it gives you a clear and bright skin, no doubt in that. I have been using this from past 1 month. See this, how quickly it is absorbing into the skin, and it literally gives a nice shiny effect, and that too for 175 rupees. I think it's a good steal. This is a lightweight moisturizer. It gives moisturization throughout the day, and I have used it quite a few times, and I really love this product. It's my first bottle actually, and I have used quite a lot, and I'm also thinking to repurchase it because why not? It's just for 175 rupees and you're getting a good product. So if you're also looking for a budget friendly moisturizer, this is the best in the market right now. You can check it out. Anyway, I'll be giving links in the description box below. Do check it out. The next thing is Almond Skin Brightening Facial Oil. It is also from Good Vibes. I really love this brand because it is very reasonable, and you'll get a good amount and quality product with that price is very rare. I love to apply serums on night basis. In that way I'll wake up with a light skin. So the best part about Good Vibes is that it is cruelty free. There is no any harsh chemicals present in this brand. These products are made using all natural ingredients, so you're safe to use. So I'm gonna take only 2 to 3 drops there. Let me show you guys the magic it does to your skin. Can you see this? So I love to apply it before going to sleep, and I'll wake up with a bright skin. But one thing is that these are oil based serums, so it is somewhat sticky. So if you are the one who doesn't like serums which are sticky, then you should avoid it. But in my case, I don't mind if it is sticky because I genuinely like these products. It does what it claimed, really brightens up your skin. I have used it quite a few times, and I'm also thinking to repurchase it again. So yeah, a big thumbs up to this product. Now comes my favorite of all these products is body lotion. It is from Nykaa in the variant Mediterranean Sea Salt. Oh my god, this is just bomb. It is priced for 500 rupees if I'm not wrong, but I got it for 380 something, and it is really worth it. Let me show you. That's it guys. It is thick moisturizer. It doesn't feel oily at all. One thing is that it is strongly scented. I really love this fragrance because if you apply this, it really smells like you have applied perfume on all over your body. It does feel like that, and it stays on your skin for at least 5 to 6 hours like that. Even after applying this one, after hours like that, you literally feel the fragrance on your body. It does really smells good, and you will smell like a cupcake. Yeah, cupcake, literally the whole day. And also worth it. If you are also looking for a good body lotion, you can definitely go check it out this, but it doesn't have any SPF. Yeah, it's okay for me, and also these are cruelty free. That's what I like about these body lotions. So the next comes the lip and cheek tint from Face Shop. So in summers you don't want to layer skin with too many products. That time if you go with just this product, you will sort it out because you can apply this to your cheeks, lips and eyes too. This is what I applied on my lips and also to my cheeks. I don't know whether the camera is capturing. or not, but this is what I have applied on my cheeks right now. So let me show you how it looks like. This is like water tint and it is very lightweight. Can you see this? It gets absorbed into the skin. You can blend it using your fingers. To blend this one, you don't even require brushes. That's how quickly it absorbs into the skin, and it literally gives a fresh and healthy look to your skin. Yeah, the thing about this is that it is non-transfer proof and it is sweat proof too. So even if you sweat, it doesn't melt on your skin. It is 100% transfer proof. Can you see anything? This is the one I have applied on my lips. So yeah, you definitely need products like this in summer. Trust me, if you like this product, just blindly go for it. The next product is this primer from Inside. It is 3-in-1 primer. It primes, protects and moisturizes your skin. It is long lasting and oil free primer, and this is for 240 rupees only, because all the primers in the market are way too in the higher end, and if you go choose for a low budget primer, it doesn't fit you good, but this one is exception. So I have seen many famous YouTubers also using this primer right now. So this is so good, and it is silicone based primer. It literally fills in your pores really quick. So let me show you how thick it is. And it is matte primer, so that's why it controls the oil. I don't know whether camera is capturing it, and it literally feels so smooth. Once you start applying this on your face, your skin becomes so smooth, and it also acts as a barrier to your skin, like before applying any foundation or concealer like that. Yeah, for this price, a big thumbs up to this product. So the next one is this perfume hand cream from Face Shop. Like, I'm not the one to apply hand cream, but I didn't buy it like separately. I got it in a package, so I just used it, and I literally fell in love with this, because who doesn't want to smell good throughout the day, right? It doesn't make your hands soft or smooth. That is not the job it is going to do. It is only a perfume based hand cream, that's it. All you need to do is take a few drops of this and just rub it all over your hands, and that's it, and you're good to go. Your hands will smell good, and I think I'm gonna be buying many hand creams from now on, but like different brands, because I really wanna test out. So that's the only way I can give you which one is better. So yeah, in summer we always feel sweaty, and we don't even know when we start to smell like bad. So that's why I have showed you this perfume hand cream and also Nykaa body lotion. This helps you to smell good throughout the day. Trust me on that. So yeah, so that's it guys. These are the things I've been enjoying recently, so, and also which are really useful in summers too, and with affordable prices. So if you like any of these products, just check my description box below. If you like my videos, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on Instagram. Suggest me what other videos you want me to do, and until my next video, bye bye.